about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts that fell apart summer long ago. How are they to know? Someday they'll meet again, and how about me for more than reminiscing? Maybe this life it'll be love and then fine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's sparking his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. Just the same old feeling back again. It's the one they may not win. They were too young to know when love's real, but somehow something never changed. It's the time I should go.